Are you tired of waiting for your PlayStation 5 games to load, twiddling your thumbs while your console grumbles like a sleepy giant? Fear not, fellow gamers! If you're ready to unleash the full power of your PS5 and take your gaming experience to warp speed, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best PS5 SSDs that will have you loading games faster than you can say next-gen graphics. Buckle up as we sift through options, debunk myths, and help you find that perfect storage solution for your colossal game library. Let's power up those pixels. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade, our pick for best budget PS5 SSD. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly SSD for your PS5, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade. This little powerhouse doesn't just come at a price that won't make your wallet cry. It delivers performance that'll have you saying, "Is that really a budget model?" The S70 Blade pulled off a jaw-dropping 6,384 megabyte per second sequential read speed. That means your games will load at lightning speed, teleporting you straight into the action without making you wait. Remember those times when you stared at loading screens like they were the last slice of pizza at a party? Never again. Now, let's be real. The price tag hints that the build quality isn't top tier. The low-profile heatsink does its job, but might not stand up to the brutal battles of cooling that some of the high-end models can handle. But hey, who needs a beefy heatsink when you've got speeds that make your games load faster than you can say, "Press start"? For those who watch their pennies closely, the 1TB S70 Blade is a steal. You'll get exceptional value without sacrificing speed, which is a rare find. In a nutshell, the Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade is like the underdog in a sports movie, unassuming, yet primed to outshine the competition. Upgrade your PS5 storage without going broke, and get ready to dive back into those epic games. Number 4. Samsung 990 PRO, our pick for best high-end PS5 SSD. Looking to give your PS5 a turbo boost? Say hello to the Samsung 990 PRO, the superhero of SSDs ready to rescue you from long load times. With mind-blowing speeds of 7,450 megabyte per second read and 6,900 megabyte per second write, this drive doesn't just compete, it obliterates the competition. Now let's keep it real. While those jaw-dropping specs make your tech heart race, the real-world differences between the Samsung 990 PRO and other top-tier SSDs? Think seconds, not light years. You'll be diving into your games faster, but you might not be making coffee while you wait. Still, if peace of mind is what you crave, this SSD is your golden ticket. You'll know you've got one of the best components strapped to your console, and that makes you feel pretty darn good, doesn't it? Just a word to the wise. While it's a tad pricier than other drives, it's not breaking the bank, and for the performance it delivers, it's worth every penny. In a nutshell, if you're all about speed and swagger, the Samsung 990 PRO is your go-to. Sure, the performance gap might be small, but those little seconds can turn into big smiles when you're powering through your gaming library. So, gear up and get ready to level up your gaming experience. Still searching for the perfect PS5 SSD? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. WD Black SN 850X, our pick for best officially licensed PS5 SSD. Hey there, storage enthusiast! If you've been playing the waiting game on the WD Black SN 850X, now's your chance to strike while the iron's hot. The price has finally settled down, making this drive a tempting upgrade from the original SN 850, without leaving your wallet gasping for air. Sure, the SN 850 is still a solid player, but let's be real. It's becoming a rare gem as time goes on. Enter the SN 850X, flaunting a sleek heatsink design that not only looks cool, but also keeps things chill under pressure. Remember how the original SN 850 had a habit of overheating during those nail-biting gaming marathons? Well, WD took that feedback to heart and improved the thermal management in the SN850X, meaning no more throttling drama during intense gaming sessions. Okay, let's talk numbers. Your brand new SN850X isn't just pretty, it's speedy. With mind-blowing read speeds hitting 7,300 megabyte per second and a write speed boost from 5,300 megabyte per second to 6,300 megabyte per second, this baby plays nice with the big dogs like the FireCuda 530 and 990 Pro, all while often offering a friendlier price tag. So whether you're storing games, videos, or an awkward collection of cat memes, the SN850X is your ticket to top-tier SSD performance that won't break the bank. Don't miss out on this fantastic choice. Number 2. PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit, our pick for best PS5 SSD with standalone heat sink. Are you tired of running out of space on your PS5 just as you're about to embark on your next gaming adventure? Enter the PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit, your new best friend in the quest for endless storage. Featuring the PNY-CS 3140 and an ingeniously designed heatsink, this kit doesn't just slap an M2 cover on your console, it transforms it into a cooling powerhouse. With a robust aluminum heat spreader built right in, you'll enjoy an impressive 40% boost in airflow. Imagine zipping from a standard 5.5 gigabyte per second read speed to a staggering 6.5 gigabyte per second. And hey, while those bulky separate heat sinks might look like they're bringing the drama, they're actually the smart choice. When you're ready to upgrade to a fancier SSD down the line, and you will be, you'll find plenty of deals on models without heat sinks, but you'll still feel the chill of PNY's cooling prowess. Got a massive game library? No problemo! PNY offers 2TB and 4TB versions that'll keep even the most ambitious gamers stocked up on space. So why not add the PNY XLR8 SSD gaming kit to your gaming arsenal? Not only will you see immediate performance gains, but you'll also be set for whatever the future throws your way. Get ready to game on with style and speed. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. WD Blacksen 850, our pick for best PS5 SSD overall. Looking to turbocharge your PS5 experience? Say hello to the WD Blacksen 850, the SSD that's practically the superhero of gaming storage. Handpicked by none other than PlayStation's wizard of design, Mark Cerny. This drive isn't just good, it's a performance powerhouse that leaves Sony's own read speed requirements of 5,500 megabyte per second eating its digital dust, soaring all the way up to an impressive 6,550 megabyte per second. What's more, it comes with a robust heatsink to keep things cool while your console is busy cooking up gaming magic, so no more lagging when the action heats up. You can snag it in a 1TB size for your everyday gaming needs, or if you're a digital hoarder, the 2TB version often goes on sale just to tempt you. Thinking about going for the standard model without the fancy heatsink? Well, prepare to dive into the DIY world. You'll need to get your own heatsink to make it PS5 compatible. But let's be real, that's just part of the adventure. With its stellar construction featuring an in-house controller and SanDisk flash memory, the WD Black SN850 is like that dependable friend who always has your back, even after a few years on the scene. Upgrade your PS5 and let the WD Black SN850 take your gaming to the next level, because you deserve nothing less. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best PS5 SSDs. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which PS5 SSD you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.